What's up, everyone? Welcome to the first episode of Road to Becoming a Web Developer. So this is going to be a series where I embark on the journey to becoming a web developer, which is something that I've always wanted to do. It's been a very long time, and I've even attempted this multiple times in the past, but life got in the way. So this is me restarting, I guess. So I'm hoping that you'll join me on this journey and become a front-end developer as well. So let's get started. Okay, so the text editor or program of choice that I will be going with is Visual Studio Code. I've set up a folder on my computer called HTML Practice, and it's linked here. So we'll just click on this icon here, new file, index.html. So I saw this trick earlier today. I don't remember which video it was that I watched, but there's a quick way to bring up the bare bones structure of a HTML document. So if you just press Shift and 1, so you enter an exclamation mark, and then just hit enter. So this one here, if we just click save, and then I think it's Control Shift F5. Nope, that didn't work. F5. Well, this should allow us to open the web page in a browser. So the title essentially should display whatever is in between the two title tags into the top of your web browser. So if I just go ahead and change that, and then I go first web page and save that, and then hit Control Shift F5, or I could just click on this button up here. Yep, that changed that. So now it says first web page. Perfect. Okay, so I've gone on to W3 Schools just to get some ideas on what to do to, refresh my memory on HTML. So anchor tags are essentially links that you put on the website, and you use the href attribute to point towards that website. So if we go to www.youtube.com/ad or Haley. Okay, so this essentially should take you to my YouTube channel. Let's give it a go. Oh, what? There we go, that worked. So the href won't work with just www. And then the rest of the website. You'll actually need to put in http:// or https. See, I didn't know that href would also work without the quotation marks, because back when I first learned HTML a long time ago, what I knew was that you had to wrap it in quotes. So that still worked, but they're saying not to do that because it's not best practice. Maybe let's add a photo somewhere. So this file is in a specific location on my computer, and then there's another folder in there that's called images. So we go images. Oh, nice. That was easy, you just found it. Good practice is to add alternative text in case the image doesn't load for whatever reason. So we could just write programmer just programmer. Save. Yes. From memory, there was a way to make this image clickable. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, is that we wrap the image with an anchor tag. Just for simplicity, I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, but I'll add the closing anchor tag, save, and refresh. This website's actually very good for learning the basics, but sometimes it can get a little confusing. I remember when I first learned HTML, I could not wrap my head around floating. So style float right, the image will float to the right of the text. And then if we use float left, the image will float to the left of the text. Okay, let's give that a shot. So, based off this example, what they did first was they wrapped it in a paragraph tag. Do I need to put a semicolon? Okay. That works, but there's no text. So I should probably add some text. I think it's fairly straightforward. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I'm very happy with the progress that we made today. And you should also be happy with the progress that you made today. So if you've liked the content so far, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It would really help me out a lot. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.